Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and currently this is our plotter lineup. All the plotters in front of me right now are 28-inch models. These two plotters currently are available in 50-inch models, and we have more coming soon. But I'm gonna start with our basic plotter. This is our MH. This is our workhorse, okay? This is a 28-inch model. And it's kind of cool because it's available in a 50-inch model too, so that really expands what you can do with these things. This one's the same plotter as this one here, but it's a 28-inch also, and it's also available in a 50-inch model. This one's Windows only, okay? This one's Mac and Windows, and so is this one, Mac and Windows. So that's the extra features you're gonna get. This one right here, it's got the most advanced stepper motor. It cuts the most intricate cuts. It's very quiet. This is the most advanced stepper motor in the entire industry. This is considered our best. This is our mid-grade, and this is our entry level, but they all cut patterns beautifully, okay? I've got these plotters down so affordable that everybody can have one now. So if you'd like more information about our plotters, please visit our website or give us a call and we'll get you cutting patterns today.